description.
Alright, so this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and the one we got here is this 100% Hokkaido flour Tori Paitan from Hong Kong, and I am really jazzed on this. You can find this over at HongKongFoodies.com. They've got a lot of neat varieties over there. You won't find them anywhere else, folks, so if you're interested, I highly recommend you take a peek. And, yeah, are we zoomed in? We shouldn't be. No, we're not zoomed in. But, got 3 minutes. Dropping things, getting all wobbly, wimbly, wambly, wombly. 3 minutes, there we go. And we're done. Alright. So, yeah, like I was saying, yesterday we had that fire in our apartment complex. Not here. Everyone here is fine. But neighbors are not, I'm guessing. Doing new lights, setting up my little stream. What are they calling it? A stream deck? I don't know what that is. All I know is it's like more buttons to do macros. That's what I'm going to do with mine. So that's an exciting thing, and I'll be working on that sometime soon. Yeah, it will be a thing. Come on, rotate, hydrate, do your thing. So Tori Paitan is kind of like a chicken, creamy chicken kind of thing. Wow, little uppity. So, yeah, that's what you get. It's a flavor deal, you see. But yeah, my plan is to, like, as quickly as possible get all this stuff done. And then I can spend time working on the thing, on the little stream deck, whatever it is. I like to get work done first. Work, then play. I never used to be so disciplined. I am, like, disciplined a lot now. It's like, ooh, I got a bag of candy. I want to eat the stuff I don't like first, and then I'll eat, like, a lot of the stuff I do like. It even goes down to that. Not that I eat a lot of candy these days. Well, I don't know. Those caramel M&Ms are pretty dang good. And, my wife got some Dracula-shaped Twix things. Those are good as well. But she said this morning it looks like I'm losing weight, so I'll take it. I'll take it. She says I walked 8 miles today, so that's good. And we're going to go out walking again tonight. That's good. So it'll be 5 for 5 that I've gotten 20,000 plus steps a day this week. And tomorrow we'll be walking all around Seattle, which is not a war zone. I'm sure it's gonna happen. I mean, as far as a place that I think it really would be bad for troops to come to Seattle. I really do. Seattle is where they had, like, the WTO riots. I remember covering that on my it was like in the basement. I was a lot younger many years ago, and I was like doing shots of traffic cameras and making animations out of them. I got some mention for that. It got used on the news, I think. I can't remember. I think that was the deal. But that was pretty cool. Way before the Ramen Raider. When I was not the Ramen Raider, but the Basement Dweller. There were a lot of web stuff I did before the Ramen Raider. I had a website called analcordis.com. I grew up in Anacortes, and I was just like doing articles and video about just like stupid things that would go on in town that for people my age kind of agreed with, and doing a lot of experimental video and video editing. I've always been just absolutely fascinated with video editing, and it's a lot of fun. I know I've never graduated to using Premiere Pro. I still use Premiere Elements, but what do you do? It's just easier for this stuff. This stuff is more like joining things and like a couple layers, maybe maximum. Like when I do top 10 lists, maybe I do use maybe like 8 layers. But like I don't compartmentalize my assets or anything like that, or whatever you do in Premiere Pro. I think it'd be fun to use that, but not, I don't know. For what I do, it would add so much time. My main goal with video editing and creativity, as far as this show goes, is to do it as quickly as possible. Nice round noodle. Now here's our broth. Not clear. Clear-ish. Definitely oily. Nice creamy chickeny kind of thing. Yeah, this is a good one. They're all good ones. I haven't had one of these that I haven't liked yet. Of all of them, my least favorite, I would say, was the tonkatsu udon. Because it just wasn't, like, violently strong. When it comes to certain things, I want, like, super strong. Especially with, like, prawn things. But I think that's shooting a dead horse trying to tell you guys that. I think you already know. I like prawn-tastic, prawn spectacular, prawny. Put a comb over. Yeah, we've got these things that come onto our deck, and they're called stellar jays. And I'm not looking at one right now, but you can hear them. They'll show up and they just like get all ticked off, just like whacking stuff around out there. It's like, come on, bird, be peaceful, bird. Oh, bird. Or is that a squirrel? That squirrel? It's not Sherlin Burl, I don't think. I think that is a stellar jay. But they fight. I mean, they're like squawky fights out there all the time. We don't like that. It's like, behave. You're birds. Come on. I've heard more than once that birds are kind of like the closest thing we really have, other than like, you know, what do you call them? Like lizards and things. Birds are also dinosaur-like too. They squawk, they squeak, they anger, they yell. I made chicken special for today. I've been extremely, you'd be proud of me. I've been like really productive today. Like I got my videos all dealt with, or my posts all ready, and then I made this chicken. It's got this stuff. I'll show you in a minute. It's this seasoning that I found, and I used to use it on popcorn, but I also use it to season chicken, and it's really good. I found it at 99 Ranch. Where is that? Here it is, right here. This stuff. It's just called cumin and spice. There's the brand. And it's really good. It's really, really good. Really good to, I took the chicken, thawed it out, because it was in the freezer. And then I vigorously, lovingly shake a ton on it, and then I lovingly massage it into the chicken. And there you go. And my way to do boneless, skinless is to bake it in the oven. So what I do, or I'll saute it. It depends on the application. But I tell the oven 375. I tell the timer 38 minutes. And I put it in before the oven's preheated. And it stays juicy and nice and works out really well. Okay, come on. I don't know about this jumble here. I wish you were a little more. I want you guys more like that. Come on. Yeah. I'm still not 100% happy about how the pepper thread looks, but there you go. Tori Paitan. Enjoy the rotation frenzy. Well, thank you very much. Thus ends my week of reviewing instant noodles. Again, go check out HongKongFoodies.com over on your Webby McWeb browsy deal, and you can use it with your Computron. Hopefully it has a number like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Maybe you could call it a 5,000. Some people call it things with words and faces. So, anyways, that's it for me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hopefully if all works well, I will have new intros and outros up the yin yang from going down to the market tomorrow. So have a good one. Bye bye.